Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And this video, and this is for the part 2 video. And in this part, we have to develop a MCU-based system to digitally control the rotational direction and speed of a DC motor. First, we have to draw the circuit diagram on the part2. That is a simulation. It consists 3 push button switch to port 1 and 1 DC motor to port 2 at the 89051. Okay, and for this task, we have to generate a 10 kHz PWM output to enable the DC motor, and then we have to drive the motor forward at 30% of maximum speed when the switch 1 is pressed, and then we have to drive the motor forward at 80% speed of maximum 80% of maximum speed when the switch 2 is pressed, and for the third, we have to drive the motor in backward position at 15% of maximum speed when switch 2 is pressed. Okay, and we start with the coding. And this is for the code. This is the coding for the part 2. As you can see, first we include the register, and this we set the port for the we declare the port for the switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and declare the port at the motor driver, that is for enable at the port 2. For the switch we declare port 1, and for the motor driver we declare at the port 2. This is for enable, and CW is clockwise and CW is counterclockwise. And this is for the PWM out and PWM set. And this coding is board as timer one. This is for PWM. As you can see, at least we set the PWM the height. And for 1 and TH, TR, and TFO, we set the code. You can see this is for 0, this is 1. And for the PWM out, we set the height in the height is 1, 1, 1, and this is the main coding. What for the PO, set 0 times that. For the enable, we set to 0. For counterclockwise, we set to 0, and clockwise, we set to 0. While when the switch 1 is pressed, clockwise will be 0 and the counterclockwise will be 1. This is for the low bit, when which is 0 is which is when the switch 1 goes to 0, it will turn on the switch and to drive the motor. And when we press the switch 1, the motor will rotate in the clockwise position, and we set the counterclockwise to 1 because we don't want to make the motor rotate into the backward position. And the path width is set to 77 because we have to drive the motor forward at 50% of the maximum speed. And when the switch 2 is pressed, as you can see, for the clockwise we set to 0, that is to drive the motor, and we set 1 for the counterclockwise, and for the path width is 204, which means it is for 80% of maximum speed when switch 2 is pressed. And for the switch 3, we set the clockwise to 1 because we want to motor to rotate into backward position, and we set the counterclockwise to 0, and the path width we set to 38 because we have to drive the motor backward at 50% of maximum speed when the switch 2 is pressed. Okay, done the coding and move to the simulation. This is the simulation for the part 2. As you can see, this is the 80588951 IC is for the controller, and this is the circuit for the 8951. We have the and this is for oscillator. This is oscillator circuit, and this is the reset circuit. As you can see, this switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and this is the motor driver. This is the DC motor. Okay, according to the task, first we have to drive the motor forward at 50% of maximum speed when switch 1 is pressed. Okay. I'm gonna say this position and press the switch 1. As you can see, the motor was rotate to the forward, and it was rotated slowly because with only 30% of the maximum speed. And see the wave. Okay, as you can see, this is the wave for the switch for the 30% of maximum speed. As you can see, we have to capture the time. You can see for this is for the duty cycle. Okay, I'm gonna take the reading for the duty cycle. You can see for the duty cycle there is 103.999, and this is for the period. You can see this 311.85. As you can see, for the task 1, we have to drive the motor forward to 50% of the maximum speed. You can see the motor was rotated slowly, and when I press the switch 2, you can see the wave was changed, and the speed of motor will increase slowly increase from 30% to 80%. You can see the reading, and for the third task, we have to drive the motor backward at 15% of the maximum speed when switch 3 is pressed. Okay, and when I press the switch 3, you can see the wave change, and the motor will slowly stop, and the motor will slowly stop to change the direction from clockwise to counterclockwise. It will take a little bit time, so you can see the motor stop, will slowly stop, and we will change the direction. Let's take some time. You can see the meter at the motor was decreased. The reading was decreased because it will rotate from forward to backward. Okay. When the reading turns to negative, it will rotate to backward position. Almost there. Okay. You can see the motor will start to rotate slowly. It will rotate very slowly because this is only 15% of the speed. Okay, and you can see motor rotate slowly to backward position or counterclockwise. And we have to try to move forward 50%, 50%, and backward was put at 50%. So